Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily enable safe mode on your Android 16. So first hold the power button and the volume up button, not necessarily hold it but click it at the same time. Now hold the power off, and as you guys can see now it will ask if you want to reboot into the safe mode. So click OK. And now the phone will restart. So all we gotta do now is just wait. So I'll see you guys once my phone is turned back on. So as you guys can see, now we're booted up into the safe mode. It says it right here, and now we do not have a lot of third-party applications on our device. And basically that's what safe mode does. It basically blocks a lot of the third-party apps. So now if you want to go back, then hold the power button and the volume up button. Now basically what you want to do is click restart, and now it will restart to the normal mode. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.